Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing a game made in Unity, an indie game that is, called Zephyr, the Cloud Odyssey. It's on itch.io, it is free to download, and it is described by saying, collect ancient artifacts by teleporting through floating islands in this fast-paced action platformer. That sounds kind of cool, and it looks kind of cool. Look at it, that's really nice. This is just the main menu as well. Settings, let's have a look at controls. WAS to, yep. L shift for walking, left click, blink, quick teleport, right click, slow motion, long distance teleport, R to restart level, escape to pause the game. Settings, it's standard really, I guess. That's fine. I'm not going to go for tutorial, I'm not going for level select. I'm just going to go straight into the game. I'm just going to wing it. That's the first time playing this. I'll leave a link to the game in the description below if you want to have a go. It looks really nice. Oh, wow, yeah. Look at that. Nice butterfly. All right, okay, so I can go like that. Really quick. Or I can hold it right and do that. All right. I can jump. Can I jump and... Yes, I can. This is cool. This kind of reminds me of Dishonored. This has got a whole Dishonored feel to it. It does look really nice though. It looks really, really nice. So I'm thinking, obviously, I've got to get up there. So if I just follow this all the way around... It is a lot like Dishonored, this. It is a lot like Dishonored. You know the whole blink in Dishonored? Oh, I'm losing health. I'm losing health. I think I was anyway, because they look like thorns. Yeah, look. I think that's health going down there. That's fine. Okay. It is fast-paced, this. I kind of like it. Not sure where I'm going. Not sure where I'm going. I reckon I can jump that. Ready? Can. Oh, I just gone all the way back. Oh, I have. I have. Okay, well, I'm going to go this way then. There must be multiple ways that you can go then. That's cool. That's cool. Do you think that's the goal? That must be where I've got to go to. Oops. Oh. Okay, ready? I'm going to run this time. Ready? I'm just gonna blitz it. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. And jump. Jump. Keep running. Keep running. Through. And... Ooh, that was close. That was close. Right, so I think I've got to run, jump, and try and get there. That's what I'm going to try and do. Ready? Like that. Get in. I've got the hang of this. Jimmy has got the hang of this already. Input name. All right. Jimmy. Ah, that's my time. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm actually going to try and beat that time. I'm going to try and beat it. So I know the way I want to go. So I'll try and beat it. Ready? So jump and jump. And if anyone wants to try and beat my time, please do. Give this game a go. Try and beat my time. This is epic. This is really good. Ooh, that was a little bad. And... Oh! 24 seconds. 24.01 seconds. Try and beat my time, guys. Try and beat it. Next level. Oh, now this does look nice. Just look at this. This is really nice. Oops. Nope. I'm gone. I'm gone. Okay. Let's see. Up. There we go. Oh, 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 no. Oh. I'm getting a bit too carried away here. I'm getting too carried away. Ready? Jump. Over. Yeah. I'm across. Yep, let's go. Let's keep going. Oof, that was close. I nearly fell then. No, I did that time. try again. Oh, careful. Careful. Still going. Still going. Oh, oh, goodness me. I'm at the same point again. I'm through. Yep. Oh, finishes that way. Okay. Right. Ready? Let's go. Done it. And done. Yes. This is really good, guys. I love this. This is really good fun. Level completed 32.53. All right, let's go for the next level. I wonder how many levels there are. I'm going to do this level. I'm going to do this level. And then I might try go back to the main menu just to see if I can see how many levels there are. So it's obviously going to get more and more difficult as you go along because the obstacles are becoming more and more difficult. I like these sorts of games. I think they're really good. This one is designed very well, I think. It's designed very, very well indeed. Oh, no, I fell. I fell. Okay, let's try and do this. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I would recommend having a go. Oh, damn. I would recommend having a go of this, guys. If you get some spare time, definitely have a go of this. This is really good fun. I've been playing it for a couple of minutes and I am hooked already. I mean, seriously, this is really good. Oh, I'm getting too confident. I'm getting way too confident here. I want to try and set a really good time. So I encourage anyone who's trying to beat my time to post a video in the comments. Post your time in the comments. Post a video to it and see how well you do. And then what I'm going to do is try and beat your time. This is awesome. I really like this game. I genuinely like this game. Right, so fire. Where's the end of the level? Up there. All right. Ooh. I'm not sure whether to avoid that or not, but I have done. And yep. Oh. And there we go. Done it. 52.43 seconds. I'm going to return to the menu now. Level select. Let's see. Level 1, 2, 3. Right, okay. So I'm going to go to level 4 then. Let's try this. I really hope there's more than just this. I really hope there is. Because this is something that would go down really well with me. I think this is really, really great. Now, can I make it all the way over there? I can. So I'm not sure whether I should actually step on those things or not. I can't be too sure. Oh, I fell. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a go on stepping on those things and just see what happens. There we go. That's okay. So let's try and get all the way across there again. And... oh, I see. So they throw me upwards. All right. Oh. Oh, gosh. Okay. Zephyr. What is it? The Cloud Odyssey. Okay, in that case, I'm going to try and... no, I can't. Okay, so... where's the end of the level? I can't see it from here. It really does look like there's multiple ways that you can go, which is good enough for me. I'm guessing that might kind of push me upwards. Yes, it does. That's good. Okay, so I know that I can go into them now. Oh, look at this here. Blades. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting. I'm biding my time. Okay, there we go. And done it. Next level. Let's go. This is awesome. This is really good. What was that? What happened? Oh, whatever that was, it got me. It was somewhere here, wasn't it? Oh. Okay, that's all right. I escaped that. Right, see if I can see the end of the level. Can I see it anywhere? I can't see it yet. I cannot see it yet, but that's fine. I'm gonna... Oh. Damn. It's because I'm getting way too confident and just... Oh, I'm getting overconfident, and I think that is the problem. I got hit by them. Damn. Come on. Come on, Jimmy, you can do this. You can do this. Oh, why didn't I think of that before? I want to try going that way. Up onto that one. Yeah. Ooh, oh, that was close with a fire there, wasn't it? Oh. Right, okay, so... Oh. So with them, I've got to be careful because them islands seem to fall. Careful of the fire. Oh, careful, careful, careful. So I'm going to have to jump. Made it. Okay. Careful. Careful, Jimmy. Careful. Okay. Well, there's the end of the level. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to try and get over there. Oh. I don't know what I did there. I just kind of fell. Right, come on. Come on, Jimmy. Get it together, man. You're better than this, Jimmy. Ready, jump. Oh, mind the fire. And made it. Okay, mind the thing. Don't get wheeled to death. And up we go. And again. Oh. I felt like I slipped off that then. That was my own fault. Oh, God. Who's enjoying watching Jimmy play games really badly? I need to settle down. I really do. God, that fire. I feel like that almost gets me every time. Oh, when I'm... Oh. I mean, come on, Jimmy. You're being silly now. Let's do this. Let's do it this time. Come on. I'm up. Okay. Ready? Next one. Ready? Ready? Yep. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Okay. Come on. I can do this. This is quite challenging. Or it's either very challenging or I'm just rubbish at it, one or the other. Ready? Go. Right, okay. So now, there we go. Yep. Oh! I can get up there. So I've got to somehow get across there. So I'm gonna run, jump. Done it! Oh, God, that was challenging, wasn't it? Well, it was for me. 55.08 seconds. Alright, so is this the boss level now? Is it the boss level? I'm not sure. How many levels were there before the boss? Oh, I keep slipping off things. I really keep slipping off them. Okay, okay, come on. Come on, Jimmy, let's do this. Let's do this. I'm going to go this way. Okay, so far so good. Oof, that was very close, that was. That was close. Not sure where the end is, but I'm just going to keep going for now. Alright, so they're going up, but where do I go from there? Where do I go from there? So I'm going to have to take a chance here. I'm not quite sure. Nope. That is going to require a good bit of time, and that is going to... Come on. I've come this far. I feel like I shouldn't give up now, but I've come this far, and I don't want to bore you guys to death. I do that enough already. Oh, I fell and died in fire. Oh. Okay. This is... Either way, I know I've said before, this is a really good game. This is really fun. I can see if this was like a full proper length game, I would so get this. I would so get that. Right, so I need to kind of hopefully land on one of them. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know. No, it just keeps blowing me off. Okay, I'm gonna have to try and make that. Ready? Done it. Done it. Oof. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next is going to be up there, I think. Or fall off, one or the other. Try again on that. So I think I need to get up there. That's where I'm going to go for. There we go. Surely I've got to be nearly there. Am I? Oh. Okay. I'm going to leave it there. That's going to take some time. So that was Zephyr, the Cloud Odyssey, guys. That was, for me, that was a lot of fun. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. But please tell me in the comments why you didn't like it. I'd like to know because I quite enjoyed this one. So yeah, that was Zephyr, the Cloud Odyssey. I've been Jimmy Vegas. And guys, thank you very much for watching.